हेलो एवरीवन, मिशन जेके एसएसबी में आप सभी का स्वागत है। और आज के लिए जो टॉपिक लेके आया हूँ बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक से। मुझे उम्मीद है कि इनमें से कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में जरूर आएगा। पहला क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन वेयर कॉन्फरेड द प्रधानमंत्री राष्ट्रीय बाल पुरस्कार। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का जो आंसर है वो है सी 32। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है, हाउ मेनी पीपल वेयर कॉन्फर्ड विद द जीवन रक्षा पदक अवार्ड दिस ईयर। इसमें जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है इसका आंसर है 40। क्वेश्चन नंबर तीसरा, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग विल बी हॉनर्ड विद द प्रेस्टिजियस पद्मा विभूषण अवार्ड इन पब्लिक अफेयर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर तीसरे का आंसर क्या आएगा? शिंजो एबे। How many individuals will be honored with the prestigious Padma Bhushan Award this year? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 10. As per updated forecast by the International Monetary Fund, the Indian economy has been predicted to grow by how much in the fiscal year 2021-2022? Question number 5 का जो आंसर है वो आएगा D part 11.5%. India has pledged how much amount for the UN Peace Building Fund this year? Question number जो 6 है उसका आंसर क्या है? 15000. Question number 7, which Arab nation's cabinet recently approved the establishment of an embassy in Tel Aviv, Israel? 7 का जो आंसर है वो है B part UAE. Which nation's prime minister has been expelled from his ruling party? Very important question in exam point of view. इसका क्या आएगा? नेपाल. Which nation has become the world's top destination for new foreign direct investment in 2020? Question number जो 9 है उसका आंसर क्या आएगा? China. Which telecom company has become the first one in India to demonstrate the operation of the 5G network? Question number 10 का आंसर क्या आएगा? B part Airtel. Which nation will host the 2022 Women's Asian Cup? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? इंडिया. When was International Holocaust Remembrance Day observed? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 27th of January. When is Indian Army Day observed? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का आंसर क्या आएगा? 15th of January. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 को अगर हम देखें, इंडियन आर्मी हैज डेवलप्ड इंडियन फर्स्ट इंडिजिनस 9mm machine pistol along with which among the following organizations? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? DRDO. तीसरा, अगर हम तीसरे की बात करें, भारत बायोटेक हैज साइंड एन एग्रीमेंट विद विच नेशंस कंपनी फॉर द सप्लाई ऑफ कोवैक्सीन. इसका जो आंसर है वो क्या आएगा? ब्राजील. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, व्हाट वाज इंडियंस रैंक ऑन हेनली एंड पार्टनर्स पासपोर्ट इंडेक्स 2021? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 85th. How many US presidents have been removed from office through impeachment? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? None. Rare metal vanadium has been found in which Indian state? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? अरुणाचल प्रदेश. The new foreign trade policy will come into effect from which date? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 1st of April. The global stockpile of the Ebola vaccine is being created in which nation? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? Switzerland. The United States has redesigned which nation as a state sponsor of terrorism? Question number 9 का जो आंसर वो क्या आएगा? D. Cuba. Which nation's military contingent will take part in Indian Republic Day Parade 2021? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? बांग्लादेश. When will Union Budget 2021 be presented? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का आंसर क्या आएगा? फरवरी 1st. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है, renowned fashion designer Satya Paul passed away on January 6, 2021. He was known for giving a modern look to which traditional outfit? क्वेश्चन 2 का आंसर क्या आएगा? A. साड़ी. Protesters violated the security of which nation's Capitol building on जनवरी 6, 2021? इसका क्या आएगा? कहाँ पे? यूएस में, यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका के अंदर. Which state rolled out the Launchpad scheme? इसका क्या आंसर आएगा? मध्य प्रदेश. The center has decided to form a committee for the protection of language, culture and land of which region? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? लद्दाख. Which state government will initiate the world's largest floating solar project by 2023? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? मध्य प्रदेश. The potential first case of a new and deadly disease 11 has been discovered in which nation? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ कोंगो. Which nation has sanctioned international protocol to abolish death penalty? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? कजाकिस्तान. Which nation recently released its draft Arctic policy? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? इंडिया. Which nation is working to develop first wooden satellite to reduce space junk? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? जापान. The well-preserved remains of Ice Age woolly rhino were found in which nation? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? रशिया. Which nation has gained the top spot in test ranking? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? न्यूजीलैंड. PM Narendra Modi was honored with the Legion of Merit Award by which nation president? इसका आंसर आएगा US. उसके बाद दूसरा जो है, which nation street food has been added to the UNESCO list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity? इसका आंसर आएगा सिंगापुर. A new mutated COVID-19 variant has been discovered in which nation? इसका आंसर आएगा UK. Veteran political leader Motilal Vora has passed away. He was a part of which political party? इसका आंसर आएगा INC. Tusukar wetland has been recognized as a wetland international importance. Where is it located? बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है ये कहां पे है? ये है लद्दाख के अंदर. Which two planets came closest to each other on December 21, 2021? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? Jupiter and Saturn. Which nation's prime minister has dissolved the parliament? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? नेपाल. Who among the following received COVID-19 publicly on December 22, 20? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? Joe Biden. PM Narendra Modi will launch the Social Endeavour for Health and Telemedicine Sehat scheme in which state या UT? यह है जम्मू कश्मीर के अंदर. Which state government has launched विरासत campaign? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? उत्तर प्रदेश. Which nation's government has collapsed, sending the nation to its fourth election in 2 years? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? इसराइल. How many Ramsar sites are situated in India? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 42. Who will be the chief guest of Republic Day celebration on जनवरी 26, 2021? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? बोरिस जॉनसन. Who has been named Social Entrepreneur of the Year 2020? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? अशरफ पटेल. India has been ranked at which position in the Human Development Index 2020? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 131. अभी बहुत पीछे है. Which among the following extinct animals was spotted in Spiti Valley, India? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? Himalayan sioux. Who won the Ramanujan Prize for Mathematicians for the year 2020? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? A part. डॉक्टर Which state has brought into force a land grabbing prohibition act? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? गुजरात. Which nation will host G7 summit in 2021? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? UK. Which nation will be hosting ICC Women's World Cup 2022? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? न्यूजीलैंड. Which city has been selected as the second venue for the FIH Men's Hockey World Cup 2023? ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. रोरकीला. Which nation has been witnessing protest from the member of San Isidro movement? ये कहां पे है हुई? ये क्यूबा के अंदर. What was India's top most searched word on Google in 2020? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग. Who was the top trending personality in India in the year 2020? Joe Biden. What is the new height of Mount Everest? 8848.86. Who won the Rabindranath Tagore Literary Prize 2020? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? राजकमाल जहा. Who has become the first Indian to win a Formula 2 race? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? जयंत रुला. Who has been named Time Magazine's 2020 Person of the Year? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? जॉन बाइडेन. Which dance form will make its Olympic debut in Paris Olympics in 2024? इसका आएगा ब्रेक डांस. Which nation will host the World Economic Forum 2021? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? सिंगापुर. Who has been appointed as the first CEO of the WHO Foundation? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? अनिल सोनी. India was ranked at which position on the Climate Change Performance Index 2021? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 10th. Which nation has successfully activated its artificial sun? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? चाइना. देखो कहां पहुंच गई. Which nation has become the fourth Arab nation to normalize relations with Israel this year? Morocco. Indian economy contracted by how much percent in the second quarter of FY 2020-21? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 7.5. What is the projected real GDP growth for 2021? इसका क्या? इसका जो आंसर है वो है 7.5%. 37 का अगर हम देखें, which short film has been selected as India's official entry at the 93rd Academy Award? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? Shameless. Who has been named as the new FICCI president for the year 2020-21? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 38 का D part. Odyo Shankar. Which state has got its first eco bridge for small animals? Uttarakhand. Which court recently ruled that the right to marry a person of choice irrespective of caste, religion is a fundamental right? क्या इसका आंसर आएगा? कर्नाटका हाई कोर्ट. India has reportedly invited which world leader to be of chief guest at Republic Day 2021? Boris Johnson. Which court has directed the installation of compulsory CCTV cameras at all police stations and office of Central Investigation Agency? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? सुप्रीम कोर्ट. Mahasewa Dharampal Gulati, the owner of which iconic spice brand, passed away on December 3, 2020? इसका जो आंसर आएगा वो आएगा MDH. Which nation has pledged to make its public sector carbon neutral by 2025? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? न्यूजीलैंड. देखिए जो भी क्वेश्चन मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूं बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. आप खुद मार्क कर सकते हैं कि कितने इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, चाहे वो जेके एसएसबी का 4th क्लास का एग्जाम हो, चाहे एसएससी का एग्जाम हो, चाहे यूपीएससी का एग्जाम हो, कोई भी एग्जाम है, ये जो करंट अफेयर्स बेस्ड जो क्वेश्चन है ये एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं। इसलिए आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि ये क्वेश्चन आप अच्छी तरह से प्रिपेयर करें, एक दो बार रिवाइज करोगे तो आपकी जो कंफ्यूजन है वो दूर हो जाएगी। और आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ ऐसे वीडियोस शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, ताकि मैं और आगे अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियो बनाऊं। Which series won the Best Drama Series Award at 48th International Emmys? क्या आएगा इसका आंसर? इसका आंसर हम देखते हैं पहले। इसका जो आंसर है वो है डी, दिल्ली क्राइम। Which film has been selected as India's official entry for the Oscars? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? ए, जल्लीकाटू। Veteran Congress leader Tarun Gogoi passed away on November 23, 2020. He was the longest serving chief minister of which state? ये थे असम के। Which nation has formally withdrawn itself from the Treaty of Open Skies? इसका क्या आंसर आएगा? US. Which bank has become the world's first central bank to gain 1 million Twitter followers? कौन है ये? RBI. Which state government has put on hold an audience that seeks to make abusive content punishable with jail term? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? केरला. Who was known as the father of the Indian IT industry? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? FC Kohli. Who among the following has been nominated for the ICC Player of the Decade award? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? विराट कोहली. Which private bank has been merged with Singapore-based DBS Bank India Limited? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Which state has passed an ordinance against forced religious conversions? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? उत्तर प्रदेश. Which nation's prime minister has been nominated for Nobel Peace Prize 2021? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? इस्राइल. Who has been appointed as the new independent chairman of the International Cricket Council? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? A. Who won the UK Booker Prize 2020? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? D part, डुगलस स्टुअर्ट. उसके बाद है Who has been sworn in as the first woman Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? रेणु देवी. Who was sworn in as a pro tem Speaker of the newly elected 17th Bihar Legislative Assembly? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? जितन राम बनर्जी. India has drawn a 5 years action plan for the conservation of which species? इसका आंसर क्या है? Vultures. Asia's first solar power textile will be set up in which Indian state? Question 5 का जो आंसर है C, महाराष्ट्र. Which vaccine manufacturer has sought emergency use authorizations of its COVID-19 vaccine? इसका आंसर क्या आ गया? Pfizer. Which two nations signed a landmark defense deal on November 17 to counter China's growing influence in South China Sea? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? जापान and Australia. Which country has been given the hosting rights for FIFA U17 Women's World Cup 2022? इसका जो आंसर है वो क्या आएगा? India. England's cricketers team will tour which nations for the first time in 16 years in 2021? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? पाकिस्तान. What is the minimum age limit to play international cricket as per the new ICC policy? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? A, 15 years. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन थे ये लास्ट 3 months के जो क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है वो लेके आया था मैं. आप यही 3 months के क्वेश्चन अगर रिवाइज करेंगे, पढ़ेंगे, आपको अच्छी तरह समझ में जरूर आएगा. ठीक है, आप लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए अगर आपको ये पसंद आए. खुदा हाफिज.